to it.
Is that double C? T-I-C? Okay. Just make sure. You know, I'm bad at spelling. Want to make sure I got it right. All right. Our weather impact alert for tomorrow and Saturday, mainly because of a severe weather risk. Some strong to severe storms. Doesn't look like it's going to be an outbreak, but strong winds, some hail, and cannot ever rule out an isolated tornado. We are going to be under a slight level 2 out of 5 threat for severe storms beginning tomorrow through Saturday morning. As we get into Saturday during the day, that risk does look to really start winding down, but I think we may still get kind of a second round with our cold front at some point in the morning or early afternoon on Saturday. Here is what is going on. We've actually got two systems that we're watching. One big upper level low moving into the northern plains almost toward the Great Lakes. Another one that is coming out of the Rockies and right near the Four Corners. This first feature that is moving north may help to set up some severe weather tomorrow, all being ushered in by a strong return flow from the Gulf of Mexico. The second chance may be with this system. That's the one that's going to bring us our cold front on Saturday, maybe midday. So the first round may be coming up with a system that is well to our north. So most of the instability, the greater threat of severe weather remains well removed to our north. However, with our proximity to the Gulf, it doesn't take much sometimes to get that unstable air. And some of the storms that we see fire up during the afternoon and evening tomorrow could be borderline strong to severe. That's why we're under that level 2 threat. That will be the system that brings us a chance for severe weather on Friday. The chance of severe weather on Saturday is going to be along the cold front that moves in probably mid-morning and into the early afternoon. Remember, there was a bit of a time difference in our models with the Euro still going with more early Saturday morning. Well, now it seems to be more in line with what our precision cast high resolution model has been saying with regards to our timing. Now, as far as rain chances go tomorrow, not everyone will see the rain. Those storms and fairly isolated or scattered in nature that do fire up have the chance of becoming strong to severe. I think, though, we're going to have maybe a better chance along this line with the cold front. That doesn't move in until probably late morning and into the early afternoon on Saturday. So most of it does look to be during daylight hours, which is always better. Not great way to start our Saturday, but the good news is by Saturday afternoon and evening, storm threat is gone. May have a few little lingering light sprinkles, but that is when the colder air starts moving in. So as far as the timing, Friday afternoon into the evening, and then a second chance during the day on Saturday, more midday, early afternoon. Few strong storms will be the issue. Might see a little bit more along that line, but that isn't until Saturday. So just stay with WWL for the very latest. We'll be tracking that line as it starts to get better organized. We also could see some heavy rainfall at times from tomorrow through early Saturday. Some minor street flooding is possible. We're also then, after the severe weather threat, looking forward to a big dive in the jet stream and some very chilly temperatures arriving kind of later in the day Saturday, and you'll really start to feel the air mass change on Sunday. And notice this upper pattern looks like it keeps us cold going through next weekend. So once we see the temperature drop, overall we remain chilly. Severe weather potential tomorrow afternoon, midday on Saturday, then colder air arriving. We're in the 40s to start our day Sunday and a high of only 58. Low 50s for a high on Monday. Many spots may stay in the 40s, and a light freeze is likely Monday and Tuesday morning on the North Shore. We'll see likely another cold front going into Thursday.